The warning electrical system fault is quite a common problem for modern Audi cars with mild hybrid systems and 48-volt battery packs. These cars are equipped with a BSG, which stands for Belt Starter Generator. This is a pretty complicated and expensive unit that loves failing in modern Audi cars, and it costs about $2,000 or £1,800 to replace it. So first of all, you need to know that the warning electrical system fault accompanied by any other warnings is a different case. For example, you may see when the power steering malfunctions, but you will also see the power steering warning, and you should pay attention to it first of all. But if the electrical system fault is the only warning you're getting, there are several things you may want to know. First of all, the problem may come from the 12-volt battery. If it's discharged or old, the voltage in the system will fluctuate, which is a big trigger for the mild hybrid vehicle full of electronics. So checking the 12-volt battery with a load tester, charging it with an external charger, or even replacing it is one relatively cheap way of fixing the issue. Then there are only complicated ways to deal with this. First of all, in the USA, Audi is much more helpful. They have already issued several TSBs with software updates and even improved their warranty for the BSG to a 48-month or 50,000 miles. Not great, but better than nothing. Also, I know about hundreds of cases when Audi USA covered the majority of costs for BSG replacement, even though the cars were out of any kind of warranty. In the UK and Europe, things are much more difficult, and owners usually pay every single pound or euro for their repairs, unless the car is under a standard bumper-to-bumper warranty, which is a shame. Before you pay for the expensive BSG unit, please make sure you read the TSBs issued mainly for the American market. Sometimes printing these TSBs out and showing them to your dealership in the UK may help a lot. Let's start with the TSB 272355 2058831/8. I will post the numbers in the description so you may Google them and find PDF files. Basically, this TSB tells the dealers that there is a possibility to update the BSG related software and try to avoid this warning in the future. If this doesn't help, this may be a hardware problem and the BSG will need to be replaced. Then in 2024, there was another software related TSB, number 272479. 2074792/1. It's basically the same, just covers additional models of Audi vehicles like the A3 and S3. And also one more important TSB is 272349 2058831/6. It covers the BSG problem. It gives specific DTCs, so you may check if it covers your vehicle just by reading the trouble codes. Also at the bottom, it gives references to other TSBs that may help. The solution is the same: a software update, charging the 48-volt battery pack, and if nothing helps, replacing the BSG. Now, what I know is that unless you are covered by the standard warranty, you need to contact the main Audi dealer in your country as soon as you get any problems with the BSG. These units are extremely faulty in all mild hybrid Audi vehicles, and if you politely present all the information that you know about that, the dealer will obviously cover at least half of the replacement costs. The good thing is that after model year 2024, this problem is almost solved, and the new vehicles seem to have a more reliable belt starter generator.